Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a top 5 Mac OSX for Beginners videos. Quite really the essentials for people who either just switch to Mac or switch from Windows or have never used a computer in their life. It's just the basic things that they should know how to do. And number 5 is how to full screen a program or application. So I'm going to open up Safari. And as you can see that it gives me a pretty wide view, but it still leaves me with the menu bar and the dock at the bottom. Now I want the full application to take up the whole of the computer. But to do that, I simply press the green traffic light at the top. I call these traffic lights because they look like traffic lights. And as you can see, it fills up the whole space. Now to bring it back, you simply hover your mouse over to that slide, it'll come down and you can press it again to make it smaller. Okay, so that's number 5, full screen apps. Number 4 is desktop backgrounds. So you will get your computer and it will have a background something like this. Now seeing as everyone has the same computer and everyone's going to get the same background, it's not really original, so you may want to change it to something more personal, or you just don't like the actual background that's on there at the moment. So the easiest way to do that is to simply go to the Apple logo, System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver, and you can select from the many photos they have here, or if you have some in your pictures folder, you can select from one of those. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now to make this better. Number 3 is adding programs or applications to your dock. By dock I mean this thing at the very bottom here. Just to do that, you go into the Finder, go to the Applications folder, and you find a program that may not already be in your dock. So for example, I'm going to select Microsoft Office. I'm going to drag it down to the bottom. As you can see, now Microsoft Office is now in my dock. I'll show you one more time. So Finder. I'm going to find a program that's not already in my dock. I have a lot of programs. And I'm going to select Sonos and drag it down to the bottom. And as you can see, now the Sonos app is right there and ready for me to open straight away. Okay. Number 2 is how to delete programs. Now the quickest and easiest way to delete a program is to simply go back to your Finder, find the program you want to delete, for example Disk Maker X5, and drag it down to the bin at the bottom. Once you've done that, close your Finder window, open the bin, and as if in real life you need to empty the bin, so you just press empty. It will ask you, are you sure you want to empty the bin? And you press yes, empty trash. And that's how you delete an application on Mac OSX. Number 1. Now I think this is the most requested tip on Mac OSX, and that is how to right click. Now on Windows you simply had it by default and you've most likely become accustomed to it. But on OS X we don't really use right click, it's more of a extra if you need it. So to enable this, you simply go to the Apple logo and System Preferences. Now if you're using a laptop you'd go to Trackpad, but if you're using an iMac or another type of desktop computer, maybe a Mac Pro or Mac Mini, you go to Mouse. Then you go to Point and Click and you select Secondary Click. From there you can decide if you want it to be on the click on the right side or click on the left side. Now I'm going to keep it to click on the right side. Close System Preferences, and now you have right click functionality. Okay. So that's been my top 5 Mac OSX for Beginners tips and tricks. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I got muddled up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video if you really enjoyed it. Also leave comments at the bottom of anything you think I should improve on, or other tips and tricks you may have learned to share with the rest of the community. So thank you so much for watching and goodbye.